In this quick guide, you'll learn the easiest way to calibrate your PlayStation 5 controller so it feels accurate and responsive again. Before we start, make sure your controller is connected to your PS5 either with a USB cable or through Bluetooth. On your PS5 home screen, go to Settings in the top right corner. Scroll down and open Accessories, then select Controllers. Here, first check that your controller firmware is up to date, so you're not troubleshooting an old bug. If there's an update available, install it and let the console restart before moving on. Next, we'll reset the controller's calibration using a quick hardware reset. Turn off your PS5, then use a paperclip to press and hold the reset button on the back of the controller for about 5 seconds. Now, power the PS5 back on and reconnect the controller with the USB cable to pair it again. Return to Settings, then Accessories, and open Controllers to adjust your vibration and trigger intensity if needed. To test calibration, launch a game and slowly move both analog sticks, checking for smooth movement with no drifting on screen. If everything feels smooth and responsive, your PS5 controller is now calibrated. Save this video so you can fix it again in just a minute next time.